My name is Achal Sharma. I am from Kanpur. My qualification is concerned. I have completed 12th grade in government school college, and my hobbies I love to traveling and I love to learn new things. That's all about me.
Okay, that's great. So nowadays, how do you work upon your communication skill?
Yeah. How long have you
No, no, no.
been? You are,
How do you work upon your communication? What do you do for your communication nowadays?
yeah, I talk to many people and I practice it on myself. But yeah, I talk in many people build confidence in my
Okay, okay.
relationship.
Do you like to read stories, books, newspaper? Do you like?
No, no, I don't like and I don't
Why don't you
read
like?
books.
Why don't you like? Give me the reason.
I don't know any reason, but yeah, I don't like. I was not passionate to read books.
Is this very boring, right?
Yeah, this is very boring.
Okay.
Uh,
Do you like
how
listening?
long have? Yeah, yeah, I like listening.
Okay. What type of content do you listen?
I listen in conversation only.
Okay. Conversations. Okay, that's great.
English
And
movie.
do you like movies, web series?
English movie? No,
No.
huh, I was not passionate. Watching these movies, I only
Okay.
listen English.
How long have you been working over your communication?
Yeah, I'm working. I have been working in my English language and communication 1 year.
1 year. Okay. So for I think for 1 year, have you consistent?
No, I
No.
did not. Sometime I did. I practice. Sometime I did not practice. I
Then
did
why?
not follow. Yeah, health issue. Sometimes face health issue, and sometimes leave a motivate related
And
English.
sometimes we got engaged in marriage function, right?
No, no, no,
No. Do you have kids, right?
no. Yeah, I'm a girl.
Okay, you're a girl. Okay, okay. Sorry, I'm thinking you're a married person.
No, no, unmarried girl.
Yeah, because most of the time I connected with many housemaker, so I was thinking you are also one of them.
No, no, unmarried girl.
So what's your plan about your future?
Yeah, my future plan. I want to become air hostess, and I, I, I will be speak very fluently. This is
Okay,
my future.
learning this language behind this region, right? Because you want to
This,
be air hostess, right?
yeah.
Great. What do you do for becoming great air hostess? I would like to know.
No,
What do you?
I do not do anything, but yeah, I'm working on my English running only because in I will able to express my thought in any person. I will give interview. I will get selected. Yeah.
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, you're right. And do you like cooking?
Yes, I like cooking.
Are you comfortable
I cook.
for making every type of food?
Yes, I'm comfortable and I make new dishes every. I make dishes.
Okay. Which food do you like most? In non-veg.
No, I do
Do you?
not eat non-veg.
Okay, you do not like non-veg. What? Which food do you like in vegetable?
And vegetable, I can say soya, soya methi. Do you know soya methi? I love
Soya.
soya methi. Soya methi.
Great, great, great. Okay.
And
Most of the
I
time.
love, uh,
Hmm. Yeah, yeah, go ahead.
I love to junk food, pizza. Pizza, I
Okay.
love to eat.
Pizza is the favorite of every people
Yeah, every
because
person.
pizza is so yummy and tasty as well, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, mostly how do you spend your free time?
Yeah, I I I love to sleep. I love to sleep.
Oh my
Free
God.
time.
Mm. So do you
I
love to
completed all.
sleep?
Yeah,
Do you love to sleep, right? As you mentioned.
yeah. Uh,
Oh my God. This is hobbies. Your is this your
yes,
hobbies?
sir. This is my
Hobbies and
hobby.
way of spending time, right?
I don't
Okay.
talk every person. I said and I'm happy that I think in my brain I sleep. In
Okay.
दोपहर time I take nap.
Are you introvert person, right? Who
Yeah,
always try to live alone.
yeah.
Right.
I love to live alone.
Mm, great. So I think don't you have so many friends?
Yeah, no, yeah, I have a friend, two friends only, not a more. I don't have
Okay.
friends.
In your society or nearest your place? Yeah, in your school.
In my school time friends.
Very nice. Do you like uh traveling different places? Do you like?
Yeah, I love to travel in new countries and new places. This is my big dream.
Wow, amazing. If I'll give you chance to go to travel different countries, which countries would you like to go? America, Australia, Canada, or some
I
another?
would like to Dubai.
Dubai. And why?
Why?
By the way.
I can say this is my only. I
Okay.
love. I would like to go Dubai. And not
Hmm.
only Korea.
Okay. Great. And
Dubai is good city for me.
okay. Good city. I mean, in Dubai, what type of place do you like most in Dubai?
In Dubai. What can say? Burj
Spiritual
Khalifa.
place, historical place,
Yeah, Burj Khalifa.
historical.
Have you heard
Hmm.
Burj
Could you repeat?
Khalifa in
Burj Khalifa. Yeah, yeah. Very long, right? Very long, very heighted.
Dubai?
Okay, that's what you like. That's why you like, huh? Because having Burj Khalifa into that place, that's what, right? Because of this
Yeah,
reason. Great. Great. Okay.
because
So,
I hmm,
yeah, yeah, go ahead, go ahead.
this this is related in my dreams. I want
Don't
to
buy,
become here.
don't vibrate your phone. Just put in, hold. Yes. Now you
Good.
say, yes. Don't
So this
vibrate,
is
yeah.
my dream related.
Hmm. Okay. So, do you have any problem in terms of learning spoken English? So you can share with me. I hope I would like to help you.
Yeah, can I ask some question? Not a
Yeah,
some.
sure.
Yeah. So I talk in any person. So I have no turn in brain words and structure in basic structure and what to do and
Mm-hmm. Okay,
you
let me
can
tell you what you should do in order to
yeah
become good into this. You listening conversational video as you mentioned. So you are doing well. Listening first. Speaking as well. You need to speak. What you learn, you need to speak. Okay? Try to be consistent. Okay?
yeah
Or you need to inculcate habit of reading. Every single day you need to read stories, newspaper, articles, magazine. So many things are there. So if you have been following, these things in your day-to-day life, so you can be a good into this sooner.
yeah I will do and definitely I will do try.
Okay.
Hmm,
So yeah, next questions of yours. Go ahead.
yeah. And next question, I practice it on myself very well and I speak whatever comes in my brain easily we share. But I same same I do not I'm not able to express in front of any people my feelings and my emotions and what do I want to say in front of me if people any so why
It happens, it happens with people because of having fear, agitations. Okay, nervousness, I would say. So whenever if you do more practice, more and more practice, so automatically you are going to overcome this type of fear. Okay, in terms of
yeah
performing well in your communication skill. Okay, so speak much more. Try to find different objects, I mean topics for discussing there. Okay, so there is
yeah
only the one solution. You need to speak much more, and try to just connect with people like this every single day. Be consistent
yeah I don't
because
have any question yeah
okay. One thing in the last I want to say, this is your not habit, right? This is not your habit. Every day you talk to
yeah
people in this way, right? That's the reason. Also, you are having so many problems, agitation, right? So many things because we all are stranger people, right? So we do not feel comfortable while conversation with stranger people. So that's why it happens. Okay.
yeah
So
same.
so
Because
I
I
would
have
say,
no environment.
mm,
I do not talk any people, so that is reason for me. And not to only me and all learners face a problem this because
you're right.
learner doesn't have
Yeah,
environment.
that's why I said to you, you need to make habits. Okay, every day you do same thing, talking to people. Okay, facing this challenging time. Okay, you as much as you face this time, you're going to be proficient into this sooner.
I should practice and I connect anyone and different people. So I will definitely build confidence and I will able to express thought easily.
Hmm. Okay, dear. So I think we should wind up now. Today is enough. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see in future we again connect.